Hi folks, look at SharperTrades. The S&P 500 maintains a stable pace above the support at the moment, 586. However, it's still below the 80 MA, so we need to see a clear move through that holding, and then the resistance 595, 600, 603, 613, and 620. Again, we're looking at the SPY. Support are those recent lows, 50 simple moving average, and then 570. ACHR, this one is a swing idea, looks strong. Pop pullback, steady above the 200 SMA. Pop today with volume. Hit the target, 514. I'm looking for 620, 740, and 870. Support is 550, 450, and then further down the 200 SMA, volatile. AI, strong day on a partnership with Microsoft. This one was on our watch list, a swing idea through here, did a pullback, got a bounce off the 25 support. There was dark pool activity yesterday, or yesterday before, I can remember, it was around 25. Today, big move, bullish move through the resistance at 27.30, and then push through the next resistance, which was somewhere around 30. At that point, we initiate the swing, hit the first resistance, not the target, it was too close from what we call it, and extended to 33.50 and then pull back. I'm looking for 35, that's the first target, 37 and 40, an analyst has a target of 40. Support is now 30, 50, and 29. HMW, this one is a swing. I like this formation, it's a rectangle pattern, needs to break through these recent highs around 117, all-time high. I like what I'm seeing with this rectangle formation. I'm looking for 123, 130, and 137, 38. Support is the 80 MA and 110. SOFI is a SOFI technology. This one is a swing working well, already hit 3 targets. Now looks like it's ready for another move. Dark pool activity a few days ago. 5.9 million around 1350, 1390. That's currently below the price level. So that's below the current price level. So that makes it a bullish signal. And I'm looking for 16, 1750, and 1930. Support is the 80 MA and this red candle low at 13. So how do we turn knowledge into actual income with minimal risk? It's simple. I offer the Basic Plus Swing Alert for just $1 for the first month. The Basic Plus Swing Alert sends real-time trades 2-3 times a week via text or email. I send you updates as price reaches targets and we raise protective stop levels, all in real time. If you're looking for an even better opportunity, check out the Pro package. It includes over 15 technical courses and access to all my trading services, a package worth almost $3,000 available for just $19 for the first month. Signing up is easy. Visit SharperTrades.com, go to the product section and choose the package that suits you. Then use the provided coupon code to unlock the Basic Plus Swing Alert for only $1 or the incredible Pro package for just $19 for the first month. I can't wait to welcome you to the community. Take the first step toward financial success. See you over at SharperTrades.com. SharperTrades, where knowledge becomes income. Don't miss out. Join us today.